Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering up and placing the base station next to your modem. This reduces cable clutter and avoids signal blockers. Once powered, connect an Ethernet cable from modem LAN to the WAN port on the airport extreme. That creates your internet path. Make sure your Mac or iPhone has Airport Utility open. This is the control plane. You're doing this to let the utility discover the device and configure it, so don't skip firmware checks or unplug the modem during discovery. You'll see the device in Airport Utility. Click Configure and follow the guided assistant. Choose Create a new network if this is primary, or choose Extend a wireless network if integrating with another Apple base. That determines NAT and DHCP roles. Set a clear, unique network name and choose WPA2/WPA3 for client security, then set an admin password to lock settings. Once done, review IP4 settings. Use DHCP from the modem if single router, or set manual IP only for bridged setups. You complete setup by applying changes and waiting for the base station's green light. That indicates a successful connection. Next, update firmware if prompted, then reboot the modem first and airport next to ensure clean DHCP leases. Test Ethernet and Wi-Fi on 2 devices to confirm routing and speed. If you don't get internet, verify the WAN IP in Airport Utility. No IP means a modem issue. Try a different cable. Power cycle the modem, and only factory reset the airport as a last step to reconfigure from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.